How to sign into your Sam's Club business credit card account online. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser and in search address bar type down sign into Sam's Club business credit card and hit enter. And once done so from the list, all you have to do is tap on the official portal of the Sam's Club business credit card. Now there you can see apply now option available and simply tap on the apply now since I do not have any account. But if you already have one, then you can see login option available there. Now enter your credit card details if you do not have the Sam's Club business credit card. But if you do, then you will get to see login option available in the credit card. And all you have to do is enter your information. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.